Okay guys, this is Rick. So today I'm gonna walk you through and explain to you on what are these tabs for. Okay, and so the first one is my profile landing page. So after you upload all of your information on your profile page, and this is where you click to see your actual profile page. Okay. So so next one would be connect and promote. So when you click on this, in here it will display all the profile of other user on the platform. So if you want to connect with them, you can do that by clicking on this icon right here. Okay, and you can send them a direct message. Okay, so next one is invite friends. So right here you can enter your friend's email address. Okay, so and if you have a list of a spreadsheet of all the contact, you can upload from here. All right. So next one is message. So in here, when every time you send a message out to other user, it will display right here. And if you want to delete it, you can click on this right here. And so if you have an inbox message, it will display right here. Okay. And my favorite meaning right here, if you happen to interested in any of these profile, you can click on this heart icon right here, then it automatically will put it in this folder right here. Okay, as you can see, all these are my favorites, so it will display right here, not in this page. Review and comment. This is where whenever you get a comment or review, it will display and store in here, in this page right here. And you can contact the person who give you a review and comment on your profile. You can email him or her directly from here, or you can click on this, you can see their profile as well. Okay, so change password. That's over here. If you want to change your password, you can do it from here. And so let's go back to this main page right here. So as I explained to you in the previous tutorial videos, this tab right here, you can, if you want to edit your profile, you can click on here. If you want to upload your story, you can click here, upload your image to the gallery. This one, let me show you what it is. So these are the image gallery right here. Okay. Upload videos over here, and upload your coupon or flyers. If you have any promotion, it would display right over here. Okay, I think that's it. So if you have any question, you can contact me directly. And this is my profile URL right here. Okay, you can just go in here. Okay, alright guys, see you on the next tutorial video.